my man. This is so cool. We get to do this together and form this deep friendship, man. You rock.
The way I've come to know you over these past couple months, man, is like you're just a very kind, caring, compassionate human being. You're going to positively influence millions of people.
I haven't thought that far.
I do have really unfortunate news. He's the person to tell me this.
No, man, no. Don't let me go.
So thankful for the experience. Coach being the biggest impact of this whole thing. God rest his soul. And I know he'd be proud of me. He said this one thing. It's so cool that we get to do this together.
So cool. We get to do this together